All right, we're at Patty Cake on Eglinton and Brimley area, Scarborough, hardcore Scarborough. We got a spicy beef patty, $2.50 I think. It was made here. Nice couple guys in there. I think they sell like ice. There wasn't any ice cream on display, but it looks like they got ice cream and cakes and stuff. I've never seen anything like that. It's not a Jamaican restaurant. It's a patties and cakes place. It's called Patty Cake. Right? Patty? Yeah, Patty Cake. But yeah, let's check it out. Try new angles on the whip. Hopefully you guys get a good look at this one. Really like, I don't know, it's almost like a perfect beef patty. Like it's so look, it's so perfect and so uniform. It's weird. All right, let's break this open. It's really light, but feels kind of like super stuffed with meat. Looks good. I don't think there was a choice of spicy. They have goat patties, curry goat, jerk chicken, and curry shrimp. I tried to get the shrimp, but they don't have any. So yeah, but we got the beef. We got the spicy beef. Yeah, it's a pretty thick. One sec. Pretty thick layer of beef there. Like especially compared to the breading and everything. Smells good. Let's try it. Weird. I really have no idea what that taste is. It's not bad. It's weird though. I don't know. I personally don't really like this patty. I could see how some people would like that weird taste. It's just so weird. I have no idea what if that's the meat or if that's like the spices or what it is. It's not a bad taste either. It's just for me, it's weird. It's better than the weird taste I had at Pattylicious, that rib place. But yeah, it's pretty plain. Like the bread is like, it's good. It's nice and thin. It's not too flaky though. It's actually really thin. Holy shit! If you look at that top part, like over here, see it's just like almost two little pieces of paper. Air inside. The meat's thick though. Pause. But yeah, not bad. I don't know. The guy was pretty cool. Both those guys in there were pretty cool. So yeah, I wanna kind of support their business, but at the same time, I have to do an honest review. It's not bad, but let's go with give them a 6.8. It's good. Just a little weird, but like I said, I could totally see some people really liking that taste. It's just too different for me, but yeah. All right, I'll see you guys in a bit.